Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. We're bringing you another original design here. This is going to be the Cylinder Wreath knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the usual spot. We're going to add the belt line. We're going to come over here, put this around here like so. And we're going to do a kind of a miniature cylinder. We're going to go over a couple times. Depends on your height and maybe the thickness of the tie, how many times you go around. But I'm going to go around, I can't remember the count. Let's say about that many, maybe 4 or 5 times. Then I'm going to come around here, just like this. Regular wreath, regular cylinder, and then now we're going to go into a regular wreath right here. Like so. And then we're going to come up here like this. Alright, so this is what we got so far. This is where I want to get kind of creative here. I want to do a wreath through this right here. Take some doing to get it through there. There we go. Then whatever you have left, kind of do a wreath down here, come under like this. Take some adjustment. I'm going to put the collar down. Now, for me, I don't have much left, so it's not going to matter. If you do have a lot left, just kind of tuck it around this way. So, there's the cylinder wreath. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for more tie knots. Hit that bell notification because there's more coming your way. Oh, no, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made, and we'll see you in the next video.